Okay, we have a bunch of evolving skies. I want to get through it all because I want to open them. So, let's go. We have a green code card. Energy. Wow. Hoppip. Diano. It's Diano Day today. Bravery. Ice Pop. Ampharos. Sylveon. Ooh, white code card. Fletching, Chinchou, Petlil, Diano again, Energy, Badge, Flaffy, Reverse, and ooh, Glaceon. Very nice. Sorry, I had something in my eye. I had to rub my eye for a second. There we go. Get the pack open. Three, four. Aurora, Petlil, Drowsy, Dream Ball, Gourgeist, and Medicham. Wow. That's still nice. I like Glaceon better though. There we go. That's better. Ooh, another white code card. 2, 3, 4. Woobat. Feebas. Energy. Rainbow Badge again. Golduck, and Zygarde. Green code card. Have a green code card. Drowsy, Feebas, Slackus, Mask, that's pretty cool, and Appleton. Pikachu, Pika Pika. Lotad, Energy, Golduck, Molga, Zeevil. Quite a bit there. We got more to go. Got more to go. Come on now. Another green code card. We don't want no green code cards. Temple, Psyduck. Ooh, that's a pretty cool Psyduck. Sorry. Ooh, I just hit the camera. I'm sorry. I'm trying to adjust the focus here and just keep on running into everything. Energy, Boldore, Skiploom, Altaria, and Drampa the Grandpa. I think this will be the last pack for this one. So if you like this video, please like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. As the rules state, if you've watched more than one of my videos, you're required to subscribe. Swablu, Litleo, Energy, Copycat, SQ, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, Slacking, and Jumpluff. Well, 2 out of the 8, that's about right. Okay. Well, you guys have a good day, and until next time, bye.